What's going on, YouTube? This is Trove again, coming back with another video. This time we're going to be covering the Ghost Ink 3.5 standard trigger connector. This is about $15 retail, and we're going to see if it's worth it. So it claims you can get 3.5 pounds as a drop-in connector, no fitment required. And right here what we have is a Glock 45 Gen 5, never been shot, so no rounds for this at all. And we are going to go ahead and test the trigger pull on it. So right here we have this little digital measurement tool that I got from Amazon for about 20 bucks. And right now we're pulling about 4.08 on that, which is honestly pretty good. We got 3.8 out of that, so not bad. And let me see. All right, that one did not register. Let's try it again. And 3.94. So honestly, very, very low trigger pull on this one. So it has not been broken in, so that's actually quite surprising. Let's go ahead and pull it one more time. And 3.54. All right. So we're getting anywhere from 3.5 to 4 pounds on a standard trigger. Again, I have not put any rounds for this, so that's actually quite impressive. Let's see if this connector does any justice for us. Okay. So let's get our Glock tool here. Punch these out. All right. Pull the locking block and push the trigger pin. All right. We have here, as you can see, we got factory grease on this. Again, I have not shot this, so let's go ahead. Take this trigger connector out. All right, put that to the side and open up this new Ghost connector. And we're just gonna pop that in there right quick. Okay. Let's reconnect our trigger bar. Okay. And we can push this back in. Okay. And put our trigger pin back in. Okay. Put our locking block back in. And push this a little further. There we go. Okay, just make sure it works, and let's slide our okay. First measurement with the Ghost connector. Let's see what we get. 3.94. 3.28, okay. 3.14, okay. 3.54. 3.36. Sorry, I should have showed you the other measurements there. I'm just being selfish with it. Give me one sec. We got 310. 3.84. Might have been my fault on that one. Let's try this again. 3.22. All right, and let's go ahead and do this nice and slow. Oh, too slow there. Didn't get the right point on it. 3.62. And 3.36. All right, so we had a pretty good trigger just to begin with out of the box. And once installing the Ghost connector, we dropped a bit in pull weight. So for 15 bucks, that's pretty good. Again, I didn't have to put a competition trigger in here to drop the weight, and feels pretty good. All right, so if you're thinking about doing a Ghost connector on your Glock, I'd say do it. All right, with that said, I hope you guys have a great day. God bless, and see you next time.